Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Elevenlabs text to speech with CapCut in 2025 so you can get professional voiceovers straight into your videos. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Elevenlabs. Once you are over here, you need to simply just log in into your account. Over here, click on the option of text to speech. Here in this section, you need to simply paste your script, and in the right hand section, you will see all of the voices that you can pick. So you need to pick any of the voices over here and click on the generate option on this page. Now once your voiceover is ready, you need to just simply download it in by clicking on the download button in the audio file on your device. Afterwards, you need to open your CapCut mobile application, or you can even open your CapCut PC app. Currently I'm using CapCut in my PC, so I'm going to be using it. So click on the import option over here, and now you need to select all of your audios that you have generated with the help of your Elevenlabs, and you can even import your video here. So first of all, you need to drag and drop your video in the timeline. After that, you need to select all of your audios and you need to put them one by one, just like so. Now over here, you just have to simply drag your videos and your audios clip, and here you can align it until it match with your video properly. Once this step is done, you need to use the makers or the waveform to pick to the line up to beat or the scenes changes. You need to tap on the voice clip, and here you can reduce the background, or you can simply just use the fade in and fade out feature that is available in the CapCut. You need to apply subtle reverb or EQ in the CapCut for the audio effects. So once you are done with your audio editing and your video editing, you need to click on the export option in the top right hand corner and export in the form of video. So this way you will be able to basically use Elevenlabs and CapCut together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.